Welcome to Data Analytics Professionals, and I'm Shahnaz Malik, and let's quickly jump into today's lecture topic. Current series is about AWS and machine learning, and current topic of this lecture is going to be about CloudWatch, and we are going to learn how to set up dollar alerts. Okay. Now this is lecture number 14 in the series for all of those guys, and a reminder who are watching this from the beginning. CloudWatch. Well, how can we define it in few words? And if you see on the screen at the moment, a slide is there, and CloudWatch, basically allows you to monitor your sites, API endpoints, and web workflows, and a lot more. Using CloudWatch, you can get an outside in view with better visibility into performance and availability, so that you can become aware of issues and fix those issues quicker than ever before. Well, it also helps you to increase customer satisfaction and be more confident that your application is meeting your performance goals. Now, here are the instructions to accomplish our task. I have 1 to 8 instructions on one slide, and then they go through up to 14, but I'm not going to text read. Rather, I suggest let's quickly go into AWS account and perform the tasks, and once we perform the tasks, then you can come back into slide and have a look, have we completed all our instructions. Now if you see, here is my account alias. You should have your own one. I'm entering and logging into my AWS account through administrator, and if you have followed this lecture series from scratch, you can do as well. Now here I have this CloudWatch in recently visited services, and if you don't have, all you need to do is write it here, and I can show you, for those who are joining us from this lecture. So I can write cloud, and I can write maybe WA, and I get this CloudWatch pop up, and I click on it, and basically that's it, and it will take me to the website, to the page where I will perform my tasks. Okay, and until now what I can show you, that we have signed in, okay, and then we have chosen we have chosen to use CloudWatch. Okay, and that's what we have done until now. Okay, let's go back now, just to remind you that I'm in North Virginia, and you need to make sure where you are. Now next thing is to click on this alarm. Okay, alarms. So once I click on it, and then I need to click on this create alarm. So create alarm, clicking on it, and then on the next page I need to specify metric and conditions, and for that I need to click on select matrix. Okay, so I click on the select matrix, and on now select matrix page, what I need to do, I need to go on into this search box, and then in this search box I can type AWS, for example, and say enter, and I will get billing by service and billing by total estimated charges, and I would like to choose it billing total estimated charges, and I click on that. And then if you see, I have this dollar option, so I'm going to choose this dollar option, and then select matrix. Okay, now I will reach the next step is to specify metric and conditions, and if you see, metric name is estimated charges. That's good. US dollars, and statistics maximum period 6 hours. You can choose from different, but I leave it for 6 hours for now. And then conditions is threshold type will be static, okay, and whenever estimated charge is greater, okay, you can say greater or equal, you can say lower or equal, whatever, but I will say whenever it reaches greater, greater than the threshold. And I can put threshold whatever I can put maybe $10, maybe $100, maybe $1,000. That depends on your scale of your project, and the scale of your budget, and the thresholds that you would like to define here, so that the conditions that you would like to define here, so that you are notified as soon as the threshold is met. Okay, now here I just for the sake of this exercise, I'm going to put $10, and then press this next. This all depends on your business needs. Okay, now the next one is configure actions, okay, and notifications. So alarm stay triggered. So I'm going to choose the first option, which is in alarm the metric or the expression is outside the defined threshold. Okay, and then I'm going to select SNS topic, which simply means simple notification service topic, and here I will create a new topic. I will get kind of default CloudWatch alarm topic. I would like to change it. Okay, and I think we need to put some meaningful, meaningful name here. So I'm going to write billing overflow and CloudWatch alarm, and I don't need these topics here. Maybe you can leave it, but I think this makes sense. Okay, once I receive this topic, so billing overflow, okay, it looks good to me. And then next is to email, put your email that will receive this notification when this threshold is met. A topic with that already exists. Okay, so I can say billing overflow reached. Billing overflow checkpoint. So billing overflow checkpoint, because I had that already, that topic is already in. So I'm making billing overflow checkpoint CloudWatch, and here I'm going to put an email address that will receive this. So I think I will put, you can put any email address where you would like to get this notification. So I'm putting data analytics professionals at gmail.com. You can put whatever you think is right, and then I'm going to click this create topic. Now if you see we have already created this topic, and then I'm not going to touch anything else. No auto scaling actions required, no EC2 actions at this moment of time. Maybe it depends on your business needs. In real world scenario, there might be scenarios where you need to further create these actions, but for now I'm going to just click next. So here I need to add name and description. Okay, so this is really now so the name, the name and the description. So I'm going to choose, this is up to you. There is no hard and fast rule for all this. All it needs to make sense. Okay, should be meaningful. So billing overflow CloudWatch, and let's put alarm. Okay, And then alarm description is optional. If you want, you can put whatever you like here, okay. And I can leave it as I can leave it empty, but if you like, I can, I would like to leave it empty. But for those who would like to learn how to put descriptions, so I can put this alarm is set when total estimated charges are greater than, so I think I put $10, right? So let's put like this alarm is set to trigger when total estimated charges are greater than. Okay, so it makes sense. Now you can put whatever you like about this alarm. Okay, this alarm is set to trigger when total estimated charges are greater than $10. Okay, I put next. I'm going to now click on this next, and then preview and create. Basically here you are previewing, have you done as required. You can have a check and make sure that everything is okay and satisfying your business needs. And when you are happy with everything, you create alarm, okay, by clicking this yellow button, which is create alarm. So that's it. Basically, if you see, you have successfully created alarm billing overflow CloudWatch alarm, okay. And if you see that it will go into this insufficient stuff. You see, I have already created 3 alarms. If I show you, these were created by me earlier at some point of time, but this is the one which I created just now, and saying the insufficient data. What you need to do for this, you need to go into the email address which you provided, and there will be an email asking you to confirm the subscription that this is put. And once you confirm, then this will change, and I will quickly show you how that is actually done. Let me see if I can open the email quickly for all of you guys and show you how to get this thing quickly. I have on this point of time, so here it is. So as you see, I am in my account at the moment, and here you see 4 minutes ago I have received this. See, this is stuff that we have received, which this is the alarm which we actually created, and here is the notification, and all it's saying to confirm the subscription, we need to click on this confirm. So once I click on this confirm, and that's it. Basically I can go back into my account now, okay, and I can show you what has happened. As soon as I click that insufficient stuff has gone, and now I have 4 alarms set, and you can see it's all status is all okay. That's basically it. That's basically about it. And let me quickly take you back to the slideshows. So here it is, signing in, finding the service, which is CloudWatch, and then I choose North Virginia from the navigation panel, and then click alarm and create alarm, and then specify metric and conditions, and select metric and all that, going through all those steps that I already have shown you, how to perform these actions. So if you see, all that stuff has been done. You can pause it and have a look. Generally it should match what I have shown you, okay. And now is a question time. How do you rate this lecture and the presentation on the scale of 0 to 10, and 10 means the best? Your feedback is extremely valuable for all of us, and especially for me, because I would like to create those, I would like to create content that will be more useful for all of you guys. And For all those who are interested to remain in in this lecture series, the next topic I'm planning is AWS identity and access management. A little bit, I will go back into IAM and then start creating IAM users for data science and machine learning projects. That now we will, start actually using Amazon SageMaker. Okay, and let's keep eye on these lecture series if you would like to learn more and more about AWS and machine learning. Now with that, it is time, studio time with me, and here I am. I hope that you like the lecture, and I have a few more slides to, few more slides coming in. Watch them until end because there is some very good information, some guidelines provided, which all of us need at some point of time, and some of them are really useful. I like them, and I hope you will also like them. I see you in the next video, and until then, you stay safe.